guys, what's happening? This is Eric from Satisfied Incorporated, and today I wanted to go over how to use the aluminum hexes, how to install them into a center cap. So ever since I started posting about posting some of the wheels that I've been refinishing, people have been messaging me and they're saying, hey, how do you even do this? Like, how do I get aluminum cap or aluminum hex inside of a plastic cap? So this is a stock plastic Style 5 RCO 90 cap. It works with other ones. This is a Style 17 cap. And then the one that kind of shocked everybody, because everybody's seen a Style 5 wheel with the aluminum hex. Nobody's really seen a Style 19 hex. So what I want to do is I just want to show you real quick how we're going to do this. Basically what we're going to do is we're just going to cut this hex out and we're going to put this hex in. It's really simple. So let me show you step by step what we're going to do. And usually what I'll actually do is I put these on my lathe and it gives me a nice circular cut. But I know not everybody has a lathe, right? So that's why I got my Dremel and I'm just going to cut out this hex and we'll just go from there. I'm trying to do it as simple as possible. If you don't have a Dremel, go to Harbor Freight and get a Dremel. That's kind of the moral of the story here. So let me show you how this is done. So we're just gonna cut all along the hex. So I'm gonna cut here next, we cut here next, here next, here next. So I'm gonna just cut all the way around the hex. Okay, so I've cut all the way around the hex. You can see it's really not that clean. I mean, I'm using a Dremel, so you can see I'm off, but it's not gonna matter. I mean, maybe if you wanted to take your time and do a little better job. Like I said, I put these on the lathe, and when these are done, I'd probably clean them up anyway too. So just cut all the way around that hex. And then look what we got here. So, you know, just taking this out. And like I said, I'm not gonna keep this. If I'm running this wheel, I'm not gonna keep this. Come through in here and you can clean those up. But if you don't, I mean, nobody's probably gonna know anyway, right? So now we're going to take our hex, and you can see, even though you are off, this thing covers everything. Well, it's not covering that, but it's because it's not centered. So if you actually center this piece, it covers the whole thing. The aluminum's as big as this ring, so just don't get into this ring right here. You know, and then they'll all have it. This ring, just don't cut into that ring and you'll be fine. All right, so we got our aluminum center cap that has the hex cut out now, right? You got an RCO 90 face. So what we're gonna do is you just take this plastic center that you put in there, and then you take the Satisfied aluminum cap, and it's got this threaded on piece here. So we'll take this off, and this is what makes the conversion possible. Because if you have, say, an RS wheel, BBS RS wheel, it's going to have the threads already in here. And so you just take this piece and you just thread it on, easy, done. But this is the conversion piece. So we're going to take this piece, which has 3 set screws going around the sides, and we're going to set it in the wheel like so. And then we'll take it and we'll tighten up all the 3 set screws. Okay. I'm not going to do that because it's just a little bit time consuming. We'll save it for the video. But basically all you're going to do is you're going to put those set screws in that holds that in there, and then you tighten your aluminum hex, and then that's what you got. You've got the conversion ready to go. You can throw your BBS cap in the middle, whatever you're going to be doing for the middle, that'll be what works out there. We've got those on the site too. So this is what it is, aluminum hex from Satisfied Incorporated. If you don't have these, you need to get these, because this will change your wheels more than anything. If I could choose between colored bolts, colored faces, anything like that, it's the aluminum hex makes your wheels pop. They are amazing. And just so you know, this is the wide hex. So we have one that's this wide here, but we also have one that's about half the height here. So it depends on what you like, what look you're going for. On most of my cars, I like the wide. I think it makes it pop way harder, and it just, I like things with character. I like things that look kind of out of place, and you know, the wide ones look a little bit out of place and they just look a little bulky, and I'm a fan of that. So check out the narrow ones, check out the wide ones, figure out which one you want. Again, for the conversion, you need this back piece here. For an RS wheel that has a 58 millimeter thread, you just need the main piece. You don't need this extra piece. So check these out, and if you get these, you're gonna be stoked that you did. This will change your wheels and make your car pop really hard. Thanks for watching. See you later.